Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and in today's video, we will delve into the recent movements in the ICE cotton futures market, examining the factors that influenced these changes. On Thursday, ICE cotton futures edged lower, primarily impacted by a stronger dollar, reduced weekly exports, and weakness in the grains market. The December ICE cotton contract decreased by 14 points, closing at 71.93 cents per pound. Similarly, the March and May contracts fell by 16 and 20 points, settling at 73.76 and 75.07 cents per pound, respectively. This decline follows a significant 171-point drop in the December contract last week. The rise in the US dollar index, which rebounded from a 4-month low with an increase of 467 points, along with softer crude oil prices, contributed to the fall in cotton prices. A stronger dollar makes cotton more expensive for international buyers, thus reducing demand. Export data further dampened sentiment in the market. For the week ending July 11, cotton export sales totaled 27,240 running bales, marking a marketing year low. Despite new crop sales reaching a 5-week high at 165,590 running bales, actual export shipments were the lowest since November, amounting to 113,106 running bales. Crop progress data also presents a bearish outlook for cotton prices. According to the National Agricultural Statistics Service, the U.S. cotton crop development is ahead of average. 64% of the crop is squaring, compared to a 63% average, and 27% is setting bolls, which is 5% ahead of normal. Condition ratings remain stable, with 45% in good to excellent categories and a slight shift from poor to very poor. The USDA's latest balance sheet update showed an increase in old crop stocks by 200,000 bales, bringing the total to 3.05 million due to reduced export numbers. For the new crop, planted acreage rose to 10.67 million acres, and harvested acreage increased to 9.67 million acres, with a slight yield increase to 844 pounds per acre. This adjustment raised production by 1 million bales, totaling 17 million. Projected stocks for the end of the 2024-25 crop year increased by 1.2 million bales to 5.3 million. On the global front, the old crop carryout was reduced by 1.66 million bales to 79.31 million. For the new crop, world production increased by 1.05 million bales, mainly due to the US, with total stocks falling by 860,000 bales to 82.63 million. ICE cotton stocks remained unchanged on July 17, with 41,122 bales of certified stocks. The Cotlook A index dropped by 90 points on July 16 to 81.70 cents per pound. Additionally, the USDA average world price was raised by 34 points on Thursday to 56.42 cents per pound, effective from Friday through the next Thursday. Cotton speculators increased their net short position by 6,378 contracts to 45,122 in the week ending July 9. This indicates a bearish sentiment among traders regarding future cotton prices. That's all for today's update on the ICE cotton futures market. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for more in-depth analysis and the latest updates on various commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.